Hope you guys are enjoying all this. You just gotta stick with me because once it's over, you're never gonna get this part of the experience again on a Broly. She's running, but running from what? Her youth? She's old. Fifth gear pull. There's nobody behind us, is there? Right there. Lick your lip when you're talking to me, mister. Alright, I'm warming up. I don't know how, maybe the temperature's changing. Plus tomorrow when I was riding, the sun was out. Today, the sun ain't out. The sun ain't out, not it's sunny now. Meow. Meow. I cannot think right now. Cause my fingers. I wanna cry. Ooh, is that a rider? Oh, that's a Harley. F me, man. F me. And to you. She waved to everyone. Harley. Gracias. My fingers. Ooh, I can split that lane like a oomph, man. I can split that lane like a oomph. I just want to chill here. Neutral, please. Gracias. Broly, don't move. Oh, we're on a hill. No, we're on a hill. You see that? Yeah. No, stay. Oh, stay. Where is it at hot at? Okay, so it's like hot right here, but I can't feel my hand on my seat, man. My fingers. Aston Martin. I don't want to pounce on an Aston Martin so much right now. Jacuz. Je m'appelle Saiyan. I've been on these roads like a bajillion times. This is my favorite view on these roads. Look at that. You just see all these hills on hills on hills. Ah, so nice. You just ride into it and then we're going to be riding in it. How amazing is that? How amazing is that? And you know what they're doing? They're destroying all these little hills and stuff. And they're building houses. So that's awesome, right? Because you don't have enough places. Because too many people live in Mexico, man. I hope they don't do it to all of them. Ah, they did it to that one too. Oh, those are the three douchebags, right? The crop riders, the choppers we're running with. Well, they're not douchebags, but they're like, enjoy the ride more, man. Or they're just another group of three riders that I just stereotype. Or right off the bat. See, now we're going into the hills. Into the majestic beyond. I don't know. I just don't know. I'm gonna have so much raw footage. It's gonna be crazy, man. I hope you guys are enjoying all this. You just gotta stick with me because once it's over, you're never gonna get this part of the experience again on a Broly. Because after the break-in process is done, the training process is done, the initial training process, and then it comes to the point where we gotta learn Broly and all the potential she has and start unlocking it. But yeah, once all this stuff is gone, it's gone, man. So enjoy it. Because once it's gone, it's gone. You don't get this stuff on a bike a lot. Yeah. Dragon Balls, not a single or one sports bike. That's it. Come on, where are the riders that were behind me? A dude and a girl. Where are them butt cheeks at, homie? What am I doing, man? We got an open road. Watch out for motorcycles on that sign. Don't drink and drive because speed kills, homie. Well, I can kind of whistle in my helmet. That's pretty cool. Never tried that before. Can't do it all the way because I don't have enough space because the moisture and air coming out of my lips are hitting the helmet hard. I'm pretty sure you guys can't even hear it because it's so high pitched. Thank you. Never mind, he's stopping for sure. He wasn't pulling over for me. But F if I care, right? F if I care. Ooh, goddamn, you saw the size of that pothole? It need to tire up, man. It need to tire up. Damn, we got a car up there. Like, man, this right now, what you guys are feeling and experiencing right now, it's the the slowest that a V4 could go. Like setting wise, I've set it to the lowest possible settings that a V4 can have. It can't get any lower than this, man. It can't get any lower than this. I believe that's an M series. Not the cool M series like the M2, M3, 4, 5, 6, 8, whatever. And it's brand new, so he wants to try it out, right? Try it out right now. I said try it out right now, dude! Sometimes you can't say dude, man. You know you can't say guy. You gotta curse. No matter how fast you go, man, this is not fast enough. But hey, at least you're trying, right? At least you're trying. And we got a Porsche up there. I feel like I did that on purpose. He was like, dude, go to some of the Porsche and then we can drive normal. And then the dude in the, you know, in the crazy super cute bike can't say anything. Because he's like, he'll see the Porsche and he'll be like, oh, it's not us holding everyone up, it's a Porsche. And who would have thought a Porsche would be the one holding everyone up? That's pretty sad, Porsche. Pull over, jump off a cliff, leave the car though. See, this is a place I could overtake, but I don't have any room. Otherwise, that Porsche would see some beautiful taillights right about now. Alright then, F you and your girl. I can't believe the Porsche is holding 3 people up, me included. See, it's a 340i, I believe? I don't know. But it has an M badge on there, so is that real or not? And our Porsche is going to do the same thing. He's going to gun it all the way to that car and be like, well, I couldn't, I want to go faster, but I can't. But I can, but I can, but I can. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. My body's loving it. My body's not loving it right now. It's super cold. I wish a motorcycle like app or something would tell you how many layers of clothing you need for this weather today. Like recommended 3 layers plus a leather jacket, or 2 layers in a leather jacket, 3 layers in a perforated jacket, textile. That'd be kind of cool. Epic, that'd be epic. That'd be epic, epic, epic. That'd be epic. That'd be epic. There you go, dude. Boom, zoom, zoom, zoom on that R6. Mod it out. We're gonna keep it on low gears because the road's about to split, and we're gonna cut. Cut, 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 cut. Me excited to cut, 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 cut. Me very excited to cut, 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 cut. Me very excited. Okay, it's coming up. That's why you hear Brody growling, because she don't like it either.